Hello, my beautiful royal queens. Today's video is dedicated to all denim lovers, those timeless wardrobe staples every woman needs. Have you ever wondered why we love jeans so much? They're comfortable, stylish, and perfect for any occasion. But most importantly, how do you choose the perfect pair that flatters your body shape and enhances your overall look? In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover different body shapes and the best jeans cuts for each. Whether you have an hourglass, pear, rectangular, or inverted triangle body shape, we'll help you find the ideal style to complement your figure beautifully. We'll also explore the most popular jeans cuts, from skinny jeans that highlight your legs to wide leg styles that blend comfort and elegance. Watch the video until the end to get all the tips and inspiration. Apple-shaped body and common mistakes, a guide to perfect jeans. In today's video, we'll be discussing the apple-shaped body. After identifying its key characteristics, we'll explore the most common mistakes women make when choosing jeans and provide solutions to help you achieve a flattering and stylish look. Let's dive in. What is an apple-shaped body? An apple-shaped body is defined by weight being concentrated around the abdomen and waist, with relatively slimmer arms and legs. With the right clothing choices, this shape can look absolutely stunning. Common mistakes to avoid for an apple-shaped body. 1. Choosing low-waist jeans. These jeans highlight the tummy area and make the waist appear wider. Solution: opt for high-waist jeans to smooth the tummy area and accentuate the waist. 2. Wearing very tight jeans. Tight jeans emphasize every detail of the body in an unflattering way. Solution: go for straight-cut or boot-cut jeans to balance the upper and lower parts of the body. 3. Choosing light colors. Light colors draw attention to the abdomen. Solution: stick to dark colors like black or navy for a slimming effect. 4. Excessive details on jeans. Large pockets or excessive embellishments around the waist. These emphasize the belly area. Tight and short pants. They draw attention to body imperfections and create an unbalanced look. Solution: choose long, wide, or moderately fitted jeans with simple and clean designs for a more elegant and balanced appearance. 5. Neglecting proper blouse pairings. Short or tight tops highlight the tummy. Solution: pair jeans with longer or loose-fitting tops for a more flattering look. How to correct these mistakes and achieve the perfect look. 1. Choose the right jeans. High-waist, straight-cut jeans are your go-to. 2. Pair with the right tops. Opt for long or flowy tops that provide coverage and elegance. 3. Add a belt. Belts help define the waist and elevate the outfit. 4. Pick the right shoes. Heels elongate the legs and add a touch of grace. Stylish outfit ideas for apple-shaped bodies. 1. High-waist jeans plus long blouse plus sneakers, a casual, everyday look. 2. Straight-cut jeans plus striped shirt plus mid-heel shoes, a chic office outfit. 3. Dark jeans plus silk blouse plus high heels, a standout evening look. Bonus tips. Boot-cut jeans, perfect for creating body balance. Flared jeans, ideal for a stylish appearance. Short jackets, highlight the waist for added elegance. Accessories, long necklaces draw attention away from the midsection. Seasonal styling tips. Winter, pair jeans with long coats and cozy sweaters. Pear-shaped body, features and drawbacks. Let's take a closer look at the pear-shaped body, one of the most common and feminine body types. This shape is characterized by a specific weight distribution, making it essential to choose jeans wisely and pair them thoughtfully. What is a pear-shaped body? A pear-shaped body is characterized by 1. Narrow shoulders and a small to medium-sized bust. 2. A defined and sculpted waist, which is one of its standout features. 3. Wider hips and thighs, giving the body a distinctly feminine silhouette. 4. The lower body is often more prominent than the upper body. Advantages of a pear-shaped body. Feminine curves. The body's natural curves create a very feminine and appealing look. Slim waist. Jeans with a high waist help highlight this area beautifully. Versatility with different jean styles. Designs like high-waisted or straight-leg jeans enhance the natural beauty of this body type. Drawbacks of a pear-shaped body. 1. Prominent lower body. Emphasizing the hips and thighs can be challenging when selecting jeans. 2. Difficulty in achieving balance. Narrow shoulders can make the body appear unbalanced if the upper pieces are not chosen wisely. 3. Issues with certain cuts. Extremely tight jeans may overly accentuate the hips. Best jean styles for pear-shaped body. 1. Cropped jeans. A great option to hide the upper thighs and highlight the ankles, adding balance and elegance to your look. 2. Boot-cut jeans. A stylish design that balances the hips and legs while subtly concealing the size of the hips. 3. Wide-leg jeans. Trendy and comfortable, they add a sense of proportion to your body, especially when paired with standout tops. Additional tips for choosing jeans. 1. Avoid skinny jeans. They accentuate the flaws in the hip and thigh areas, which might affect the overall harmony of the outfit. 2. Choose heavy fabrics. Thick fabric helps shape the body and hide any unwanted imperfections. 3. Focus on the upper body. Wear blouses or tops in light colors and eye-catching details to draw attention to the shoulders. 4. Use belts. They enhance your slim waist and highlight your feminine curves. How to choose the right jean colors. Dark colors, like black or dark blue, perfect for minimizing attention to the lower body. Light colors, like light blue, ideal for casual looks, especially when paired with tops in vibrant colors. Ideal tops to pair with jeans. 1. Tops with eye-catching details, such as ruffles or puff sleeves, to add visual volume to the shoulders and create balance. 2. Cropped jackets that reach the waist, accentuating both your jeans and slim waist. Suitable accessories. 1. Thin belts to define the waist elegantly without overloading the look. 2. Small bags to avoid adding extra visual volume to the lower body. The best shoes for pear-shaped bodies. 1. Block or medium heels. They create a balance between the upper and lower body. 2. Sneakers. For a casual and comfortable look suitable for daily errands. Common mistakes when choosing jeans for a pear-shaped body. 1. Excessively ripped jeans. They might emphasize the thighs too much. 2. Low-rise jeans. These reduce the visual appeal of the slim waist, one of the key features of a pear-shaped body. In conclusion, this video dedicated to denim styling for apple and pear body shapes aims to help make selecting the perfect outfit easier for you. Remember, choosing clothing goes beyond fashion. It's about highlighting your body's beauty in a way that reflects your personality and confidence. Don't miss the second part of the series, where we'll discuss denim styling for other body shapes: inverted triangle, rectangle, and hourglass. Stay tuned for more practical ideas and innovative solutions to make your everyday looks exceptional. And always remember the motto: you are a queen or a royal queen. For more inspiration, don't forget to watch the video From Casual to Classy: How to Make Jeans Look Elegant. I'll leave the link in the description.